I'm Dr. Surya Shahin. In the last class, I talked about Matthew Arnold's theory of poetry as a criticism of life. And today I will talk about the Pre-Raphaelites. The Pre-Raphaelites school of poetry. That is very important in English literature and also for the aspirants of UTC NET JRF. The two German painters were Cornelius and Overbeck, who founded a society in Rome in 1810, and it was called the German Pre-Raphaelite Brethren. They gave this name to their society because they drew their inspiration from the Italian painters before Raphael. Following them, three English painters and the three English painters called D.C. Rossetti, J.E. Millais, and W.H. Hearn founded a similar society in 1848 and called it Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. Poets like William Morris and A.C. Swinburne were also part of this school. These poets sought to escape from the excessive materialism and dreariness of the Victorian age and to satisfy their urge for art and creation of beautiful things. Understand? Now I will tell you characteristics of the Pre-Raphaelite school of poetry. The number one, pictorial effect. The Pre-Raphaelite poetry is marked with pictorial effect. It is highly picturesque, giving the details of colors and shades. That is the mark of pictorial effect. As Rossetti's poem, The Blessed Damozel, gives a pictorial effect when he writes, The blessed damozel leaned out from the gold bar of heaven. These sentences tell us the pictorial effect where that he talks about details of colors and shades in the description of pictorial effect. Point number two, the characteristic of Pre-Raphaelite school of poetry is art for art's sake. The Pre-Raphaelite poets are purely artists. The Pre-Raphaelite poets are purely artists. They created art for art's sake, both in poetry and painting. Their poems are painted in colors. They didn't write poetry for moral or didactic purposes. Their poetries express rare combination of details, picturesqueness, colors, sensuousness, lavish imagery, and precision. Understand? Now, the third point, the characteristic of the Pre-Raphaelite poetry is love for medieval lore. The Pre-Raphaelite poets were drawn towards the lore and enchantment of the medieval ages. They were attracted towards medieval culture and spirit of adventure, the chivalry, romance, mysticism, superstition of the medieval times had a very beautiful and powerful fascination for these poets, for the Pre-Raphaelite poets. We find a revival and glorification of the Middle Ages in the poetry of Pre-Raphaelite poets. Point number four, musical sense. The Pre-Raphaelite poetry is not only pictorial and sensuous but also highly musical. Their poetry is lyrical in its form and musical quality. We find the language musical. Understands? It is the musical resonance. And the point number five is charge of voluptuousness. Robert Buchanan called the Pre-Raphaelite poetry the fleshy school of poetry. Why he called it so? He called it so because it is too sensuous and voluptuousness gives the impressions of sensuality and voluptuousness. एक बार यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम में ये भी क्वेश्चन आया था कि हु कॉल्ड द प्री रेफेलाइट स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री एज द फ्लेशी स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री. तो क्या इसका आंसर क्या होगा? रॉबर्ट बुचैनन called the Pre-Raphaelite school of poetry the fleshy school of poetry. And why he called it so? He called it so because of its too sensuous musical voluptuousness and gives the impression of sensuality and voluptuousness. Understand? So these are the characteristics of Pre-Raphaelite school of poetry. And thanks for today. We meet in the next class.